In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a Zoom link and put it in your course. Okay, to get started, you go to your course menu. I already put Zoom here in the course menu. If you don't see Zoom here, go to settings and then navigation, and then find Zoom from down here and drag it, hold it and drag it to the top. Okay, so while I'm having Zoom here, I click on Zoom and I schedule a new meeting. Let's say I'm going to call it Sandbox Course Class Zoom. I think it's a good idea for you to put the time there too. Tuesday and Thursday at 9:10, for instance. And then you just set up your time. 9 here. If you just want to change it to 9:10, you can do that too. And then select the duration of time. Let's say 2 hours. And then this is pretty important. You have to check recurring meetings and select weekly from here. And then you choose Tuesday and Thursday and uncheck Friday. And then you select an end date. Let's say I want this to end on December. Select that date here. Let me go to choose December, the end of December. And then I uncheck the passcode and turn the host and participant video on if you want to see the students and have students see you. If you want to record the meeting, you select record the meeting here. This will automatically record the meetings. And then you click on save. Okay, so now the reoccurring meeting has been created. I would just select this URL here. It's a little bit tricky to get it selected. It may select join URL, which I'm going to get rid of later. And then I press Command and C on my computer to copy this, or you can right click on it and copy it. And then the next thing you do is just go to your modules and add the link in one of the most conspicuous place. Usually I would prefer that you put it under module 0 if you have that module set up. So I'm going to click on this plus button here, and I'm going to choose external URL, and then I paste this URL. And you remember I mentioned earlier you need to get rid of some extra stuff from the beginning so that it starts from HTTPS, and then you give this a name, class Zoom link. I think again it's also a good idea for you to put a date there. Okay, so that it's very obvious which link to click on. So I'm going to click on add item here now. You could choose to load it in a new tab if students are having difficulty launching it. Usually I just do not check it and it works fine as well. And then you click on add item, and then you make sure it is published. And now you can just tell students to go to the class Zoom link, Tuesday, Thursday, 9:10 link every time you are going to have a lesson. So let's see whether it's going to work. Okay, click on this. You see it is trying to launch Zoom meeting right now. If it is the first time for students, they may be prompted to download the plugin, but once they have done that already, they don't have to download the plugin again. Now you see that the Zoom is trying to launch already. So from that point on, everything else works like any other Zoom session. I hope this tutorial is clear. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.